here with Peers, which is Peer Educators for the Elimination of Relationship and Sexual Violence. We partnered with a Women's Initiative and ZBT to put on the Right to Party Party. Peers basically, as I told you, peer educators for elimination of relationship and sexual violence. So we put on different workshops on campus. So we talk about dating violence, domestic violence, and sexual assault. So you can request a workshop on our website. We're trained under Daniel and Sarah, who are confidential victim advocates on campus. So it's really cool being able to learn from them and stuff and see how you can help your friends, or if you're a survivor yourself, different resources that are available to you. There's a bounce house. There's like a bunch of different consent games that you can play. Like I just played a game where we threw a ball back and forth, and whatever like your hand landed on, you had to answer that question. So I had to answer what I love most about consent. The main reason that we wanted to have the Right to Party Party was to talk about how, you know, alcohol isn't consent, and just because you're drinking doesn't mean you want to have sex with someone. And I think especially in a college community, it can be kind of confusing, especially when you have so many people packed so closely together. It can kind of be confusing talking about what consent actually is. So we talk about enthusiastic consent, getting like an affirmative yes instead of just not saying no. And there's a huge difference there. And if we're able to come to terms with like what consent means in our community, how to obtain it, how to give it, then we're going to run into a lot less problems on campus, I think. So I really hope that this makes a positive impact.